In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Google Sheets, allowing for seamless integration and efficient management of your schedule and data all in one place. We'll walk through this process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have an interactive and fully synchronized calendar right at your fingertips within your spreadsheet. First, begin by opening Google Sheets in your preferred web browser. Make sure you've logged into your Google account and then open the specific spreadsheet where you want to import your calendar data. Having the right sheet open is crucial, as this is where all the information from your Google Calendar will be seamlessly integrated. Once you're in your desired spreadsheet, move your cursor to the menu at the top of the page and click on Extensions. This will bring a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Add-ons. This section allows you to enhance the functionality of your Google Sheets by integrating with other applications and tools, such as Google Calendar. By selecting Add-ons, you'll be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, in the search bar, type in Sheets to GCal. This add-on is an essential tool for importing your calendar events into Google Sheets. Once you've located it, click the Install button. Follow any prompts that may require additional permissions or confirmations. Don't worry, this is a standard part of the installation process and ensures everything is set up correctly. After the installation is complete, it's time to return to Google Sheets. Navigate again to Extensions at the top of your spreadsheet. This time, you should see Sheets to GCal listed as an option in the menu. Go ahead and click it to open up its features. With the Sheets to GCal add-on now visible, select the option Import Calendar to Sheet. At this point, you'll be prompted with a dialog box. Choose Clear Sheet and Import Calendar. This action will clear the current contents of your spreadsheet to neatly insert your calendar data. It's important to note that this process might take a moment as the data is being imported, so a little patience here goes a long way. Upon completion of the import process, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. Simply click Yes to finalize the import. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar events have been successfully integrated into your Google Sheets, ready for you to manage, analyze, or track according to your needs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With your Google Sheets now connected to your Google Calendar, you can enjoy the advantages of having your schedule and data in sync, making it infinitely easier to stay organized and efficient in your daily tasks.